Before PRNDL not working and now working. Great success. Hello, what's up guys, how are you everyone? I hope everybody is well. P0705 transmission range sensor PRNDL input, Toyota Yaris. Here you can see PRNDL selector switch not working. So in this video I will show you how you can solve this problem, why this fault came and how you can solve this problem. Okay, see, when I put reverse, see, not working, PRNDA not working. That's the problem. So first of all we check PRNDA switch, selector switch. Here is the engine room and this is selector switch. Okay, so here two wire you have to check for 12 volt. One is here and one is this one. Okay, now we check with multimeter. Minus connect with here and positive. Check here, 12 volt is there in this wire. Okay, and this one also 12 volt wire, but here you can see there is no voltage, and that's the problem. That's why PRNDA switch not working. Or so it's, I think there is fuse damage or somewhere wiring damage. That's why there is no 12 volt. So one thing, how you test your selector switch damage or not. So how you know your selector switch good or not? So fix one wire like this, in this green wire. Okay, fix it here, because this is 12 volt wire, and then fix with your tester like this. Okay, and then tester connect here and check inside it's working or not. Here you can see now it's working. See, that means somewhere wiring damage or somewhere short any wire. See, now it's working. Before not working, but now working. Okay, and I check all fuse in front left side fuse box, and then I find out one fuse is short. This one, see, one side voltage, one side not. That means this fuse is damaged. So let's see this fuse replace. I have one new one. Fix it and check inside. See, PRNDL light coming. Great success. See, now reverse and everything is working. Great success. If my video helpful for you, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.